Here I have a simple Java program saved as hello.java. Let's compile and run this Java program in command prompt. Open command prompt. Go to the directory where the Java program is saved. The program is successfully compiled. But here we are facing an error while running the program. The error is, a JNI error has occurred, please check your installation and try again. Let's solve this problem. Search environment variables. Go to environment variables. Under system variable, look for path. Select path and click edit. Look for the path, program files /java /jdk /bin, and move this path to the top. And make sure the path, program files x86 /common files /oracle /java path is on second. Click OK. Close command prompt, and reopen it. Successfully compiled. Now the program runs successfully, we can see the output of the program.